Hello everybody, welcome to our new HQ.
Yeah.
What do you think, mate? Do you like the new lights?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty snazzy, aren't they?
Yeah.
We decided to make ourselves a cardboard Iron Man helmet, and we want to make it really easy, don't we? Because you like watching people on YouTube making them, and they do make some pretty spectacular ones.
Yeah.
But we made this one. We'll show you how. It's pretty easy. Do you want to pop it on, show them how well it fits? Nice. First things first, let's gather all our materials. So we're going to need hot glue gun, glue sticks, Sharpie or a pencil, some craft knives, a pair of nice sharp scissors, cutting mat, very important, some sellotape, and of course, you know, the bunch of cardboard. Then you're going to go online, and you can either go to Dalilomo DIY, who's made this lovely template, and you can download for free, or you can also get it from Sean's Crafts. Sean's Crafts is a YouTube channel, and he's done a really good episode where he makes this Iron Man helmet, and he does an amazing job. It's really good. Go check him out. I will put the link to this and this free download template in the comments down below. Excellent. So, basic thing is, once you get this template, you cut round all the outside bits, stick it on the cardboard. Don't cut these inside lines. Do not cut those. So once it's on the cardboard and you've cut out these shapes, you can then score these inside lines. So just score halfway through the cardboard, because that's be used for you know, bending and stuff like that, and adding a little adding angles onto the cardboard. You'll see some of these bits are also color coded. So you've got, excuse my wonky camera work, some of these bits you got like you know, red and yellow. Then you got yellow, which goes with yellow. You got green, which goes with green. It's all fairly self-explanatory. So yeah, you know, hope you enjoy our video. We've time-lapsed the whole thing, and hopefully you should end up with something that looks a bit like that. It's pretty cool. Turned out pretty good, I think. And obviously you can spray paint that red and gold, whatever you want to do. We're actually going to do what Sean's Crafts does. We're going to cover it all in resin, and then going to spray paint it, make it look amazing, like it's like the proper Iron Man helmet. But you could just stop there and just paint it red and gold, and or just stop if you like it as cardboard. But you know, it turns out pretty cool. So thanks for watching, and yeah, hope you like the rest of the video.
A wristband out of some brown craft foam. My wrist is pretty small, so you might want to make yours longer than 7 inches.
Right, we've got all the bits cut out.
Yeah.
Where have you gone? Come back over here. I think we can see each other. I don't know. We got all the bits cut out, and we're gonna stick them together. Just use some hot glue. You can give me a hand.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna do this all nice and peacefully.
Yeah.
It's gonna be super easy, isn't it?
No.
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 Anyway, let's see what we can do. Time lapse. Go. Right, you're gonna pop it on. Nice, mate. Look around the back. Pretty good. We've still got to do the get it all painted up and stuff, haven't we? What do you think, mate?
I think it's bigger.
Cool. Should we spray paint it and stuff? Fist bump.
Ooh.